Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book on the baritone with line number 2, a hair lower. Now before we start with this, I'm going to scroll back up and show you the fingering chart at the top of this page. The second note that we are learning is concert E flat, which is your E flat, and this is what it looks like on the staff. We are in the bass clef, and E flat is on the third space, and the flat sign precedes the note, just giving you a heads up that it's a flat note. So it's E flat, and we are going to press the first valve, which is the one closest to the mouthpiece. We press the first valve all the way down and leave the other two up. And that will sound just a little bit lower than the F from our previous video. And of course we have our valve down. So we're going to walk through this, and we start with our bass clef because that's what this instrument reads, and then we have our time signature 4/4 time. The top number tells you how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number gives you the value of the whole note, which is the type of note that we are playing. So the whole note takes up the whole measure, lasts 4 counts. Same with the whole rest. Takes up the whole measure, also lasts 4 counts. And now the only time you're going to see the note name written in is the first time you learn it. After that, you have to remember that the third space in the bass clef is an E, and if it has a flat sign in front of it, then it's an E flat, and there is a difference. I'm going to go through and play this. I'm playing every other measure, and I'm resting every other measure, and we go straight through until the end, and we know it's the end because it has a final bar line, a skinny bar line and a thick bar line. I have a metronome set to 80 beats per minute, and when I play, I'm going to start each note with a t sound, so we have a clean beginning of each note. You can play along with me, or you can listen first and then come back and try it with me. But here we go. 1, 2, ready. 2, 3. 2, 3. Next line. 2. Look ahead. 2. And that's it. So that is line 2, a hair lower. We played all E flats with the first valve, and I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.